the Luckview baby car camera. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. So we're going to open it up and get a closer look to see what's inside here. So this is the baby car camera. It's got a large 5-inch screen here. And let's open it up, see what we have inside here. So right here you have the instruction manual. This is basically going to tell you everything you need to know about installing it. The install in here is like a 3 to 5 minute installation. It's very easy, very straightforward. So then you look at, this is the camera right here. It's got a protective coating on here, and it just shows you more information. Visit their site. And then this is the cable right here. Just, you can see it just got an easy plug in here. Then the mount is going to go right in here. So let's see what we have next. This is going to be the dashboard mount right here. So it's just going to go right inside here. It's going to fit inside, just clamps right in there, just slides right in. Be able to take it on and off if you want, very easy. There's a two-sided tape right here, so you're just going to peel this off. You're going to be able to mount this on the dashboard at the appropriate area. You have these right here. Let's just like rubber mounts. And we have here. This is the cigarette lighter adapter. So basically you're just going to plug this in here. This is the cigarette lighter adapter here. This is going to give you the power supply. This is the cable right here that it plugs into. So it's going to plug into here and here, so you could run it to make sure you have enough, you could conceal the wire very easily. You have plenty of wiring here to make sure you conceal it. You can see it is all marked right here: camera, display, power. So this is very well marked. You got plenty of line here, so you can conceal the wire. You don't have it hanging around anywhere. And then here we go. This is going to be the camera that goes in the back. So this is a really nice piece right here. This is the camera. This is the white version here too. I believe this does come in black. This is the white here. It's got this really cool orange area right here where the camera lens is. And it's got a really long wire in here. It's going to plug right into this wire here. And this area right here, this is going to be used to put on the headrest of the seat in the front. So when you want to run this in the back here, you're going to just put this on the headrest. You're going to be able to mount it and move it however you want. It's going to move back and forth. It's going to move up and down. So it's got a lot of different areas right here to move. So it's going to be a really simple install. Again, it's like 3 to 5 minutes. And what's really nice about this system here, it provides infrared night vision lighting, so you can see the baby in the dark at night. You're not going to have to like turn around. It's going to make your drive very much more safe and secure, because you're going to be able to see up front what's going on in the back here. So again, it's got the 3x zoom, so you could get a detailed close-up look at the baby in the back, and you're not going to have to like turn around. You're going to be able to just see it on this large screen right here. 5-inch screen. This is just a really great setup. Looks like a very easy install. It looks like the company gave you everything here. The user manual, very straightforward. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. Everything is packaged up really nicely. The cords are extra long, so definitely check this out. If you're looking for a baby car camera, this looks like a really great set. Highly recommend checking it out.